It's a beautiful day in CatDad's house, a beautiful day for living. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Let's go upstairs and check on the baby. Oh, fuck! Cat vomit! Cat hairball! Ew, another hairball! God damn it! It was you, wasn't it? Huh? Monster? You're the only one that throws up after she eats her breakfast. Time to feed the baby. Time to feed my baby. Yeah, time to feed my baby. Time to feed my baby. I'm sorry, but I left your formula downstairs. I'm gonna have to go back down there and get it, okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I got it. Do you trust me? Time to feed my baby.
Muncie, get sun? Muncie? Muncie, you getting sun? Get some sun on your fucking body? Yeah? There ain't no sun out back, Muncie.
Seriously though, Muncie. Like, what is all this? I saw you throw up downstairs by the food bowl. Come on, girl. You know I gotta clean that up. Can't you throw up in one spot instead of the entire hallway over here? The stairwell.
Muncie!
Muncie don't give a fuck. It's alright, I still love you. Beautiful little tiger tabby. You can see the orange on her when she's lying in the sun. She's definitely a little tiger tabby. I forget what they're called. The kitties. The kitties see a rabbit. You see a bunny rabbit? You see this bunny rabbit over there? See if I can pick it up on the camera. There he is. Look at him. God damn it. Blocking it, Django. Get that bunny rabbit. What if I just open this window? Would you all get him? God damn it, Django. Look at them all. They've never been outside a day in their life except for Creature. House cats for life. They wouldn't even know what to do out there. Uh-oh, look who's coming in with his little walkers. What do you got there, buddy? You gonna go get the bunny too? Bear cub. Show us how you slam everything on the table. You kick butt. He's obsessed with going everywhere that he can place his toys on top of anything. Huh? Ah! Yeah! It's so much fun to do this, huh? Ah! Daddy needs to get one of those and do it too, huh? Oh shit, there's a rabbit right fucking there, look. Oh my god, I didn't even realize there was one there. These are probably the baby bunnies I told you guys about that were in our backyard. Look, it's literally right outside the window. Dude, they're going nuts. They're like, what the fuck? It'd be the perfect time for me to put the CatDad mask on and they turn around. They'd be like, oh my god! I don't think I could do it to them though. I'll probably knock the lamp over. I should so do it though. Should Daddy get the CatDad mask? I'm scared of kitties or anything. Here we go. It's going to be my point of view. Bring knocked my fucking shit over. The bunny didn't even move though. Look at this, I am a kitty cat. Hello, how you doing? Meow. Oh! He's not scared of him because he's seen him plenty of times. Oh! You want to be cat dad? Cat the baby? Probably too little, but we can put it on there for a second. You'll probably fall. Hold on. Well, that's kind of creepy. It's like tilted back. Look at this creepy little baby. Where'd he go? There he is! What is this thing? Get this guy out of here. Get him out of here. Ah, yeah, beat up cat dad. Kick his butt. Beat him up. You used to beat him up when you were a little baby. Drag him by his head. It's like, oh, the fur. Here we go. Go get him. Oh, cat dad. No, they don't care. Don't care about these though. Watch. Why'd you do that, Daddy? Why did you take my toys and throw them? Let's see what he crawls to first. Will he choose cat dad? Yeah, he wants to beat him up. Well, you got a new toy, buddy, because I need a new mask. This thing's falling apart. Spider-Man's head and Cat Dad's head. That's what you sound like. Oh no, I never even hit record. Show everybody how you can come down off this thing. You can do it. Come on, I've seen you do it twice now. Come on, come out here, look. It's your dildo toy. You love this thing. Come on. Alright, we'll try back later. I'll bring you down here. Now the light's messing it up. We gotta get Brody a mask that fits him for a baby. And now he's going to the trash. I moved the trash can the other day because he keeps doing this, but there's no trash in there actually. Daddy changed the trash. So there's nothing in there. Well, empty tea bag. So go ahead, get destructive with the trash. Yep, boom. You're gonna take out the trash, huh? Whoa. Kind of curious what he's going to do here. He's going to fall on his face. Yep. Trash goes there, Bear Cub. He's been throwing his stuff in the trash. I literally hit record twice when I did the Spider-Man toy, and it didn't work for some reason. And they were pretty cool shots. This creature was right behind him and I missed it. One more time. There's actually a Minion toy like that I want to get from Despicable Me. It's like $30, so I said no. I think you get them for like $15 at Target. I gotta look. It's pretty much the same concept. Same design. Oh, there he goes. Look, he's doing it. He's got it. Boom. Oh, he did it and he didn't fall. I missed the beginning part, but he saw that I set up his little dildo toy. Or whatever it's called. It's some kind of learning toy. Which he seems to just love to slam it around. But, he's smart. He takes them off. Good job. Good job. Yay! Good job. Now I want to see you eventually put it back on there. I haven't seen you do that yet. But then again, you're only 9 months. Look. Whoosh. Whoa! Ah, good job. Yeah, he'll just walk around with those in his hands. You can like hear him coming when he crawls onto the hardwood floor. Uh-oh. Chica's on. Chica! With all that noise that just happened, that bunny rabbit is still just chilling there. See? Yeah, like that noise. Can you say Lisa Fanny Pack? Now Kitty Boo Boo. Kitty Boo Boo. See the baby bunny. Oh, he's eating out there too. He's so cute. Boo Boo, look at the bunny eating. Look. No, you're gonna get in my way now, right? So I can get up to the window. It's gotta be one of those baby bunnies that were under our shed. Little baby bunnies. Like, they don't seem to be scared. I know they can hear me right now and they're not running. They did kind of come close to me a bunch of times. Because they saw me when they were little and I'd throw food out there for them. Right, Boo Boo? Bunny's gotta eat. Bunny's gotta eat, Boo Boo. Of course, you're gonna destroy something. Someone sounds like they're hungry and is whining to their father. You want a drink? You want baby bottle number 2 for the day? Coming right up. Did you want it or not? I assume that's why you're whining, right? Are you hungry? You want to show everybody how you stand at the table? And yeah, you stand and drink now. We haven't showed anybody that yet. He stands and drinks, carries it with him everywhere, dumps it all over the glass table, all over the entertainment system, pretty much everywhere he can go. He just shakes it and dumps it all over. It doesn't leak that much, but... Bear cub! Hey! 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 Ah! Ah! Ready for a nap yet? Nope. My man, you got some formula in your eye. Look at that, it's no good. I gotta wipe that off. Brody's been chasing the cats. Damn it, I just paused the TV and he stopped. But he chases the cats now all the time. And they run from him. She just jumped on the table to get away from him. Django! Get the kitty cat, Brody. Brody, get the kitty. What's good, my man? Bear cub. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're scaring all the bunnies away. Look, you're scaring the bunnies, man. Look, we got Bunny out on the deck now. They're waiting for Daddy to give them some lettuce. You're scaring them. You're scaring the bunnies. Bunny rabbit. You see the bunny? Look. It's like a kitty cat. Look at him. You know my mom's not here. She's here in spirit.
Look at her. She's right on the back deck. Maybe that's a reincarnated version of my father. He's coming in to see you, buddy. Seriously though, these rabbits are everywhere. They were under that shed, a little family of babies. They probably got more babies coming. Hopefully I can get them on video this year. Hello, bunny. You see the bunny? Let's get him some lettuce. I got some lettuce in the fridge. You see the bunny? Look at the bunny rabbit. Look. You see him? You see the bunny? Yeah, you see him now, don't you? You see that bunny rabbit? Yeah, you see the bunny. Damn, he left. Oh well, let's throw some lettuce down there. He'll eat it. Django, there's lettuce on the deck. Blanket, there's lettuce on the deck. Creature, there's lettuce on the deck. You're missing the bunny. Ew, get the kitty toy out of your mouth. That's the kitty toy. You got your own toys. Play with your own toys. What are you doing? Huh? That's gross, Bear Cub. Just like your father. You like to get into gross things, huh? Oh! Did that bunny come back? I haven't looked out there in a while, huh? Whoa. The bunny didn't come back yet, man. What a disappointment. The food's just sitting there. Hopefully he comes and gets it.
Features videos from the internet and is intended for a mature audience. Comedy Central does not condone the activities performed and discourages anyone from attempting them.
My son is learning how to be a jackass way too early. I think Tosh.0 might be his favorite show because he constantly watches it when I put it on.
I'm a dragon.
You like Tosh.0?
Almost 95.
Huh?
And only 5%.
You do. You like Daniel Tosh, don't you? Huh? You like Daniel Tosh? Yeah, he's funny, huh? Damn, Daniel!
Now, if you're wondering why he's not wearing
Alright, well there's the bunny. Right there. But the food is right over here. So I'm going to go out here and try to give the food to the bunny. Let's see, the bunny's probably going to run from me, but it's worth a try. They're pretty, like, chill. Look! I'm going to have to leave that. So I don't think he's going to come back with me out here. Plus, I don't need Brody running out this door or Cat. The bunny rabbit! Yeah, the door's open. He's like, what? This opens? How did you do that? I think he's like amazed.
You know, and sometimes I eat it, sometimes
He's chasing the kitty again, but Blanket got away.
You're force feeding yourself.
You'll get her eventually, buddy. It's okay.
What's your weakness? Like things.
Alright, now he is ripping off the safety bumpers. I mean, this one's not that important, but now he's ripping it off. He just did. I put it back on. I know he's going to pull it off again. And it's very sticky on the other side. Are you going to rip that off, Muscles? Huh? Yeah, I saw you do it. You were touching the sticky part. You were like mesmerized by it. Trying to climb up on the entertainment center. Great. Just when you think you baby-proof something, you gotta do it again. Right? Baby Muscles. Making moves. There he goes. that kitty cat! Get the kitty cat! You talking to her? I hear you going, huh, huh. You tell her, Brody. Say, Blanket, Ignat. Blanket and Brody. Look at my temporary, it's blocking the stairs solution. Wipes and Pampers. It's working. Hey, Bear Cub, you need to take a nap, buddy. Okay? You woke up downstairs freaking out, and then I put you in here, you freaked out. You gotta take a nap. I know Captain Creature's cool and all, but I need to get you some air in here. It's kind of stuffy. Alright, Creature. You make sure he goes to sleep, okay? You got this? Of course, it's been like 10 minutes and he's still not asleep. From what the Nest Cam is showing me, he's watching Captain Creature in the window. Love this thing. Alright, somebody woke up from his nap and he is pissy as all hell. Guess what? I got a bath ready for you, dude. You wanna go get a bath, huh? You wanna take a bath? It's okay, you're okay. Mama? Did you say mama? Can you say Fami? Alright, come on. Alright, let's get you in this bathtub. Sorry for recording you while you cry, but you're okay, relax. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You need a bath, you dirty boy. Come on, buddy, I got your bath ready for you. Come on, crawl to daddy, let's go. Come on, crawl to daddy. Crawl to daddy, let's go, it's bath time, man. It's been almost a week since I bathed you. I know it's awful, but mommy can't bathe you because she's pregnant and she can't really bend down, and daddy can't do it every day. Or every couple days. It's hard for me. Oh. You ready for your bath? Look, I got your bath ready. Look, it's all ready for you. Ready? Let's go. Alright, Daddy just placed you in the bath. You ready to go? Not as splashy because you're whining, huh? Look, I brought your friend. Creepy cat mask under Beepo. Time to wash the baby. So creepy. Time to wash the baby. Alright, I gotta wash this boy now. So now we're not only splashing with our hands, we're splashing with our feet. Good God, child. Man, bath time is so difficult with you. Bear cub! Hey, give us a look. Ah. Good God, it's so... Oh, man. You kicked Elmo out of the bathtub. Where'd he go? There he is. Jesus, I don't know if all parents go through this, but man, this is crazy. I can't like... Oh, I can't. This is why it's so hard to wash him. Alright, Brody, I don't think there's much water left in the tub now because of you. Look. Hey. Alright, yeah, you just drain that tub for Dad. Oh, man. Do your kids do this? Is this normal that they all do this? Every time he gets in, first it was the hands, the first time I'm seeing the feet thing. Good God. Soaked. Soaking wet. I think I'm gonna have to start standing in the shower with him. This is like too much for me. Hey! Hey, take it easy, my man, take it easy! Brody. Oh! It's like obsessed with just kicking the water. And then he freaks out as I'm drying him because he's cold, even though it's kind of warm in here. Look at yourself. Hey, relax. You're okay. I'm almost done. Yeah, this is what I go through. As I'm trying to put his outfit on, he just keeps turning over. Here, you can play with that. Come on. Play with that as I put your clothes on you, bud. See, because his head's still wet. And it's hard to dry his hair until he's all clothed. Mama! Dada! Roar! I'll get your belly. Okay, calm down. I'm almost done. Relax, man. Just relax. You gotta let your hair dry. Here, you want some food? Here. Daddy's got a bottle. Here. Hey, he doesn't even want it. Oh, God. He's so good in his bath, but then when he gets out, he just freaks out when I dress him when he's wet. Drives me insane. It's okay, relax, cutie pie, relax, relax. Alright, see, look, that's you. You're better now, right? Daddy's all sweating his ass off. Glad he didn't get a shower first. You good, my man? What's going on? You good, huh? Are you okay? Look at this little boy. Oh my God, I'm like pouring sweat off my face. You're okay. Relax, guy. I'm talking to myself. Ah! Daddy's got a fart. You ready? Oh, yeah. What was that, Brody? What was that? Where'd that come from? What was that noise? Was that you? Was that you? Look at your face. Look how adorable. Oh, stupid camera in my way. Alright. What'd you say? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Be careful. Close to the edge of the bed here. Oh, see, look. Immediately trying to go off the edge of the bed here. Crazy baby. Will you stop freaking out? Come on, relax. Alright, now we gotta brush that hair of yours, son. That hair is crazy, boy. Relax. Alright, Daddy did his best with the hair, okay? As best as you're gonna let me. What do you want? You want this? Oh, you're driving me crazy. Alright, the only way I'm gonna calm down is to hold him the whole time, I guess. So, or him drinking his bottle. And then probably just dumping it all over himself. We'll see. Yeah, slow down. Boy, that was fun for Dad, huh? Good times for Dad.
Bath time was fun, but then afterwards it was awful. Calm down, okay? You're fine. I'm freaking pouring sweat off my bald forehead. Child of mine. Just remember this when your dad's old and you gotta change his diapers one day. Take a look at this. I won't freak out when you try to dress me. I'm sure there'll be nurses to do that. Oh yeah. Your hair's a little messed up there. It's messed up there. It's over there. Here, you want this too? Here, you can play with it, bro. Why'd you do that? Huh? Why'd you do that? Alright, I'm gonna make you lay down, okay? And you did it again. Alright, you gotta lay down, buddy. Man, boy. You're a pain in the ass. After your bath, trying to dress you every time now, you freak out. I'll be washing you in a pool this summer. Oh, God. Too old for this shit. Should have had kids when I was a lot younger and in shape. Alright, you good for a little bit? Because I need a drink of water. I'm dehydrated now from that. And I thought you cats were a pain in the ass, huh? It's a good thing we don't have to wash cats and you guys clean yourselves. You'd probably be an asshole.
Get ready.
Bath time's so much fun! Smell that? That's my fart. Beepo CatDad. Alright, Brody's napping. I just got out of the shower and finally Mommy is home. Thank God. I need you.
I'm tired too.
Oh, come on. And Boo Boo's crawling all over everything. Key Boo Boo! Black cat. So how was your day at work today?
It was good. I didn't really do anything.
Yeah. How's the baby doing? A kick today?
Yeah.
He did?
Down here.
Little baby.
Baby.
Baby Beckham.
He's big.
Rebecca's going to the Flyers playoffs game Wednesday.
Yeah.
I told her she should like bring the video camera with her or like at least take a video of herself vlogging there for like a couple minutes. She doesn't know how to do all that stuff. She says it's awkward. Like you're telling her, look, you just hold the camera and you aim it at yourself and that's it. You could probably do this better. You can aim up the shots like this so you're like up above, big old cleavage, you know what I'm saying? I'd like that. Viewers would like that too.
My flyer shirt doesn't show cleavage.
Flyer shirt probably don't even fit you now.
Stretches.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Alright. I fell asleep last night, so I never ended the vlog, which I do a lot. But that whole day was Friday, April 15th, 2016. It's now the next morning, Saturday morning, the 16th. It's like 5 in the morning, so I went to bed at like 6. Baby wore me out. But today we're going to my cousin's kid's birthday party. My cousin Keith that you met the other week at the family party was doing shots of Fireball with him. Just look at these cats, man. Look at them, they're crazy, like everywhere. Anyway, enough of the cats. I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna start another one today whenever Brody gets up. But thanks for watching. Take care. Have a sleep. Much love. Like, favorite, subscribe.